Hello everybody, my name's A Nerd and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Simulator.
Can't do it! I can't. You are stressing me the hell out. I can't do it. I'm not.
What? Left? Right? Okay, we're gonna turn it off until it hits 60. No, we're gonna wait until it hits 70. This is gonna be a slow game, you know. We're gonna be moving slow now. There's 3 of them. That's 72. No, that's 52. That's 25% more chaos that's about to happen. Okay. Yeah. I'm really liking this game, though. Real talk.
I heard your call.
You talking to me? I didn't call you. What the hell are you talking about, baby? I didn't call you at all. I don't think anyone is.
My phone call. Do I have rights? Can I make my phone call?
Who you gonna call?
Huh?
Who you gonna call?
Your mama.
Yeah, pretty much the plan is maybe 2 in a row, but usually just after 1 we shut everything off and wait a second. And that's why. Why do you talk so slow, by the way? I'm going to play FNAF 5. I'm at 4, 6. There's a lot of like S in what he says too. It's like,
what a deceptive calling.
Shut the fuck up, nigger. Come join your faith.
okay, here we go. Might die here. We gotta do this one short because it's really hot in here. We're kind of struggling. We're gonna do it until 75. We're gonna wait until 75. Because once it gets like to 80, we start to sweat and like the text turn red. And I might die here. I might die here. Actually, we're chilling. Good thing it went like really cold really quick. Went down to 60. This is going pretty well though. We're not dead. It's gonna be harder to hear me and probably the game because of the rain, but other than that, you know, we should be chilling here, guys. Let's move on to maintenance. Let's get some maintenance done. I'm gonna shut it off. We're gonna wait until, 70. We're gonna wait and let it get down to 70.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
Yep. Right off. Right off. Ripping that plug. Just right out. Think we're good. They all seem to be over here for some reason. Right off? Cut that off. I think I mentioned this in the first video. Whatever, like, satanic kid drew all these horrible drawings, you should check on them, because there's no clown character in this game, by the way. Besides, like, the lemon clown, but that doesn't look anything like the lemon clown. Lemonade clown, to be more specific. There's 3 more. If I die here, I'm actually gonna have a stroke. Two more. Please. If I beat this first try, because I think I figured out the technique, is just taking your time. Be as careful and as slow as possible, and you should be able to beat it every night. Oh, it might be wraps for us. I'm doing something risky. One more! One more! Please! One more! Just one more! One more! They're being nice tonight, you know? They're letting me slide! I might have to go Taco Bell and chuck some, like, burritos in there. Here, baby! I don't know what William likes. He's British. They eat, like, beans, don't they? They like beans a lot. They didn't go away. They're still, like, out there. Gotta be extra careful with the last one. Because dying on the last one would literally, like, break my heart. I don't know. I think I'd, like, quit the game. Okay, they're still out there. They are hogging me. They're making sure I don't get anywhere near winning this. This could either kill me or let me win. I'm risking my life right here. I'm the best player in the game. In history. I'm the best player in history. Oh my god! First try, no death.
Before you is an animatronic found
who could this even be?
We are unsure of its origin.
Who could you possibly throw?
To complete the maintenance checklist before claiming it
Lefty?
Or if you choose to.
Are you forcing me to take this motherfucker? Look at him. How much he cost though? How much money we talking? $5,000.
You have chosen to
okay, we can do this. I got
checklist.
my eyes on you, Lefty.
Remember, use your company-issued taser to return the animatronic to a neutral state if you feel that it's
Lefty looking at me evilly. Look at that.
You can only use it
Lefty.
Before it begins to damage
Can
the
you
animatronic and decrease
brighten
its
up a little?
value.
Give us a little smile.
Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1.
I'm watching you, Lefty. I got my eyes on you. I'm not letting you leave my sight.
Document results.
Please don't move. Please don't move. Please don't move. Oh!
Begin audio prompt
Oh!
in 3, 2, 1.
You moved. You moved. I'm gonna shock you right before I pick up the paper.
Document results.
Better pick that head back up, big-headed ass boy. I'm watching you. I'm watching
Begin
you.
audio
Shock
prompt
the
in
shit out of
3,
you. Yeah,
2,
you felt that in your
1.
chest, didn't you? I don't want you running around my pizzeria. You look a little, I don't know.
Document results.
Scary? Please don't kill me. Shocked. Getting shocked. Don't you try that with me.
Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1. Document results. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, count it down for me, baby. We wasted all of our shots. So if I shock him again, I'm dead. Well, she or he loses the money. That's a he. No, that's definitely he. I don't even know why I'm talking about. Look at that thing. That's a he. Why is this so long?
Document results.
The fuck you mean? Shh! I did it! I did everything right! Please don't give me the lawsuits, bro. I'm already broke. $3,000? That's what I like to see. No lawsuits. Yes! I've been... I thought you said no lawsuits. Legal fee. Legal fee. Oh, family died? Legal fee. Let's actually do some. Now we have actual money. What should we buy? Where could it I don't care. Where could the monster possibly be hiding in that small door? What's that even for? Entertainment? It's a pizza. I want to buy that. But I don't have enough money. I'm gonna have to save for it. If I buy 5,000. No. Definitely not. Absolutely not. Wow. Wait, what are we on? Alright, guys. This was a good video. This is a good episode. I didn't die once. Sure, it was horrifying. Lefty's in our building now. We have 4 monsters lurking around, but I'm sure the technique will let us win, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.